my virtual vision board party on Friday, December 30th from 3 to 5 p.m. Everyone's welcome to attend. This is some time for you to focus on what you really want to create in 2023. If you're not familiar with what a vision board is a visual representation of the goals, hopes, dreams that you want to bring into the new year. And this is something that I do with my girls. So if you want to sign up, I would love to have you come. The vision board workshop is the perfect gift to give to someone because sometimes everybody has different things already. Sometimes people want to have an experience or learn a new skill. So it's a great gift to give to others. I love when mothers and daughters do this together. You both can create a vision board and then you can be each other's supporters in making these goals a reality. Some of the science behind vision boards is that it activates the reticular activating system in your brain. This is the part of the brain that pays attention and is on the lookout for things connected or related to your goals. So say, for instance, you buy a car and you start to see, oh my gosh, everybody has the same car. You just start to notice it because your reticulating activating system is on the lookout for things that are similar. So if we put things that we want to achieve and do, and we keep looking at it on a vision board, it helps us then find the connections in our day-to-day life that we then can say yes to or take a step into discomfort and try something new. So it can be a very helpful tool. Each year, I sometimes change the way I do my vision boards. A lot of times I use a traditional foam 3M poster board. It's great because it's nice and thick. It stands out from the wall. It looks really pretty and it's easy to get your images on. You can use glue or you can even use thumbtacks. And then you can use the other side the next year. Another thing that I've done is I've used artist sketch pads with a 3-ring binder style. I've used that so that I can take my vision board when I travel, and that can be very helpful. I've also created digital image of my vision board so I can have it on my phone. So there's lots of ways to get creative, but the most important part is really dreaming big and figuring out what it is that you want to do.